Good afternoon, traders. This is a live trade recap. I took no trades this morning at the market open, and I'm going to show you why in just a moment. So if you notice, the P&L looks red today. I've got that set up just to show you today's trading, and there was none, and I can show you by clicking here. This is just my SPXL swing trade, which is pulling back today, and that's because the SPY is pulling back, or the S&P is pulling back. Nothing to fear there. Let me just go ahead and show you that on the chart just in case you're concerned. Or interested, I should say. Why would you be concerned? This is my money. So our entry was way back here. This is where our position is. This is where the price is trading right now. So there's nothing to worry about. This line marks previous support on the SPY, which is what the SPXL trades off of, or follows, it tracks. So nothing to worry about there. Even if this continues to come down in the next few days, the 50 MA will continue to move higher. So my stop will continue to go up with that. And I mean, absolute worst case scenario at this point is we could be looking at a break-even trade or a super small loss or a very small gain. Right now, I think I'm risking about $2 because our stop is so close to our entry. So really nothing to worry about here. Let's take a look at my screener. I always like to show you my screener and how I look for stocks. So I use my mid-cap screener. Always select modify, otherwise the filters don't get applied. And then I organize it by volume. And what you're looking at right now, so I stopped trading at looking for trades at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. Right now it's 10:50 a.m. What you're looking at right now is basically what I was seeing earlier, even minus this. There was no green whatsoever. It was all red. When it's all red like this, it's very easy. All I do is sit back and wait for something to pop up on the screener. If anything does, this morning, nothing did. And it has to also be up 2% on the percent change for me to consider it. And it has to be on the first page when I organize the list by volume so that I know that it's a higher volume stock. So let's take a look at the video, and you can see the only things that popped up this morning were NCLH. That was green for a little while, and so was TCOM, but you can see that TCOM was trading below its 200 MA daily on the daily chart. So that means that I can't look for a trade no matter what happens. And the NCLH at one point was above the 200 MA and then just kind of pulled back and was below it. So again, nothing for me to look at. So you'll see as the morning went on, I don't think I added anything else to this chart page because there was nothing popping up on the screener. So here we go all the way to 10:30. And at the very end of the video, I did go back to my screener to show you in real time what I was looking at. You can see here, everything was red. This is my mid-cap screener. So when that happens, super easy day. Just sit back and don't put any money on the line, and you can't lose any money, and that's it. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. But if nothing meets your criteria, your screener or your chart criteria, there should be no trades. But if there is, always take your stops, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.